Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about the sampling network in negative feedback amplifier. Now sampling network means basically it gives the idea about how the output is connected with the input signal. So here we will check the output side of the network. There are two types of sampling. One is voltage sampling and the other one is current sampling. In voltage sampling, the part of the output voltage is taken, whereas in current sampling, the part of the output current is taken. So when we apply the voltage and when we apply the current, the connections will be different. So in negative feedback amplifier, there are two sampling network. One is voltage sampling network and the other one is current sampling network. So we will see first what is voltage sampling. In voltage sampling, this is the amplifier and this is the feedback network, which we termed it as a beta. Beta is feedback fraction, or we will also call it as a feedback factor. And now we will concern only about the output side. We are not considering the input side. So in voltage sampling, the resistor RL, where we get the output voltage, and here we are taking the part of the output voltage and applied back to the input. We always get the voltage across the load resistor. So when we want to apply the voltage, the connection is always parallel. So in this way, we are connecting the output voltage back to the feedback network, that is beta, and the output of this network, we will write it as a beta times VO. Because we are taking the part of the output voltage, so it should be multiplied with the feedback factor. Feedback factor is beta and part of the output voltage we will call it as a beta times VO. Then the next sampling is current sampling. In current sampling, we use the amplifier and feedback network whose fraction is beta. Here is the load resistor where we get the output voltage. Now when we use the current sampling, the part of the output current is applied, and as we know, the current is always measured in series, so it is applied in series with the output connection. So here this is the current IO, which is flowing through the output circuit and applied to the feedback network. So when we check the output of the feedback network, it is beta times IO, which indicates that we are taking the part of the output voltage as a input to the amplifier. So we can say that the feedback is nothing but the part of the output current. So if the value of the current is 0, then the feedback is also 0. So this is about the current sampling. In voltage sampling, we connect the circuit or we connect the output in parallel, but in case of current sampling, we connect the output in series with a feedback network. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.